Hey YouTube, it's your girl Raj, and I am taking you with me to go thrifting. It's what, Thursday? Probably by the time you see this video, it's going to be Saturday. But I am actually in the process of revamping my Poshmark closet, so I am actually on the hunt for some new inventory. I actually today am going to be cleaning out my office and kind of reorganizing things for the new year. Happy New Year, everybody. So yeah. So we are going to hit 2 Goodwills, and I gotta go to Ikea today too, so I'll take you along with me to Ikea. But I gotta hit 2 Goodwills and Ikea, and I gotta go to T-Mobile because I got the new Galaxy Note 10 Plus for Christmas. Yay. And so I have to go change everything over, and then I end up getting this the phone case with the purse phone case on Amazon, and I love it because, let's see if I can just kind of organize this in a way where the sun's not in the area, but it has like the space where you can put your wallet and ID in it. So I gotta go also change that over, and I'll probably have them put my tempered glass on as well, because when my husband got this for me, he got my phone for me for Christmas, which I was so excited because it's about time for me to get a new phone. I'm right now rocking the LG something, and I'm a die-hard Android girl, so unfortunately I don't do the iPhones, whatever. So it's time for me to kind of switch over, and then what happens is he'll get this one for his upgrade, because he doesn't like getting new phones. He's just like, hey, whatever, I'll just take what you ain't using. So that's that. But first, I got to get my coffee, so we're hitting it Tim Hortons first. Okay, so that Goodwill was a bust. There was nothing in there I didn't see, not one thing. But since I'm all the way out here in Woodhaven, I did Google, and there is a Salvation Army about a mile and a half from here. So I'm gonna head over there and check out that place and bring y'all along with me. All right. Okay, so I was driving by, I got a bit distracted. And look where I ended up. Target. Going in here to try to find 90% off Christmas clearance. I'm specifically looking for Christmas lights, so let's see what we can find. If you're a natural like myself, then they have a lot of their natural hair care products for clearance right now at this Target out in Woodhaven, I believe. So if you need them hair cares, this is where you can come and get it for deep discount. All right, Goodwill Canton. Let's see what we can find. All right, so I'm just really not having any luck today. That Goodwill only had 2 things. I didn't get much footage because I needed to use my hands to go through all that stuff, but I don't know. But anyway, now we gotta go to Ikea, and then since I'm on my way home, there's one more Goodwill in Livonia, so I'm gonna stop. Y'all can't even see me, look at that. I'm going to stop at one more Goodwill, and then I'll be heading home. I'm gotta go to Ikea right now. I need to get bins because I'm reorganizing my office. I need bins, and I'm gonna get this like the $10 clothing rack, and then I want to see what they have in their clearance area, and then go to Goodwill, and then I'm going home. It's about 3:45 now. This morning though, I was looking for, the main reason why I was supposed to go to Ikea because I was looking for a dresser for my son. His like totally fell apart, but it's been about, how long have we had that dresser? Oh, he's 8, so it's been about 7 years since we had that dresser, and we actually got that for free from my aunt's neighbor who was moving out of the neighborhood. But long story short, it really didn't even have that much room in it for him, but we made it work. We first got it when he was a baby, so you have to think about it. Infant clothes into now most small men's clothes, there's not much space. So I was going to go to Ikea, but ended up stopping at Habitat for Humanity Restore on Grand River, and actually found a dresser for 50 bucks. So I was very excited about that. I took the Suburban, thank goodness, because that's what I used to get it in. It's actually still in Suburban now till my husband got off work, because he's gonna be one taking it out. So so that happened. But now off to Ikea. See y'all when I get there. Hey. All right, Goodwill number 3. This will be the last Goodwill of the day. Let's see what we can find.